Right, the first thing is that you need to install Power Pivot for the training that is going to happen at the end of the month. In order to make sure Power Pivot is active, you can see my Power Pivot is active there. You would need to go to File, you would need to go to Options, you would need to go to Add-ins, and wait for Excel add-ins there. Click on Go. I'm not sure. Wait. You need to activate Solver and Analysis Toolpack over there. But also, you need to go to Files, Options, Add-ins, COM add-ins there. COM add-ins. And if you click Go, you'll see here Microsoft Power Map for Excel, Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. Those two are very important. Okay. Then that will activate this ribbon over here. Right. Then you need to install Power BI. And the website to go to, you can just go and search in Google Power BI download. But here's the website at Microsoft. You'll then download, I would assume, the 64-bit version, since your machines are running 64-bit. I'm not too sure sign in with a Microsoft account is critical, but it did help me. I think you can just download a free version without having a Microsoft account. Then this is the one you would download, Power BI Desktop. There we go. There are other services that you can download. I created a work account for no cost, but the reason for that is that when we publish in Power BI, we need to publish to an account so that everybody can see everybody else's reports. Okay? All right, so once it's installed, I've got Windows 11, so let me just show you what it looks like. I'm going to activate it here. Power BI, they recently added over there, so my Windows obviously looks a little bit different to yours. Okay, so this panel will come up, and behind this panel will be what we call the tapestry or the canvas. Okay, so this panel, you can see it's picked up my account over there. Just a word of caution. If you're on your CSR account, I'm not sure the CSR firewall will allow you to download Power BI. You might need to speak to IT or ICT, which means one of two things. Either ICT allow you to download and install, or alternatively you have to log in on your personal account. You have to not get in when we do the training, not get in on the CSR account. This is why I'm telling you this up front, because if on the morning of the training we have these problems, it's going to take 2-3 hours to sort out, and that's wasted time. So I would strongly recommend that you try this beforehand and get it all up and running. One closes this down, and behind this is the tapestry with the visualizations on the right and the view relationships, tables, and reports on the left.